Hey guys!
What's up?
Today is a little bit of a different video. Today I'm gonna be doing a kind of do-it-yourself. I'm showing you how to cut your kids' hair. I know I'm not the only mom out there that likes to save some money, so if I can do something at home myself, you know I'm gonna. And I want to share it with you guys. So if you guys are interested in learning how to do a trim and add some long layers into your child's hair, or it can be anyone. It can be your sister, your friend, your aunt, your grandma. These rules will apply to any head of hair that you choose to go ahead and start cutting. So yeah, if this sounds like something you're going to be doing, then maybe you should watch this first. Alright, so the first thing that you want to do is section your hair off. So we're going to go straight down and make a line right behind the ear. And we're just going to bring that forward, and we're going to do the same to the other side. Now, from the back, she has quite thick hair, so I don't want to go in and try to cut the whole thing at once. So we are going to take sections. I'm going to comb it straight down to where you see about that much off. And I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut into it. This creates a lot softer of a line. And then we're just going to keep taking sections of hair down. Comb it straight down until you can see this guide underneath of it. And you're just going to, again, chip right into it. Moving around the head. Now you can see this section doesn't meet. This is her layers that she has. So we're just going to spin her to the side a bit. We're going to comb everything and bring some of the back over as well, because we want to keep our guide going. And then again, we're just going to chip into it. Now, my daughter has sides like me. They don't grow as quickly as the back, so we're not taking off as much from the sides as we did from the back. And we're just going to do the same thing to the other side. Now we have the base of the haircut, the perimeter, all trimmed up. Now we want to go add in some layers. So I'm going to resection those sections by the ears. Okay, so now for the layers, I'm going to take a small section right across the head from the top of the crown, and I'm going to comb it straight up. Now this is going to determine where my layers fall. So again, we're just cleaning up her hair, so I'm just going to go in and take the ends off. So I'm going to start by pulling it straight up. And again, point cutting, just chipping right into these layers, making sure all those scraggly ends are getting removed. And then we let that fall. Now I'm going to take a section straight down the middle of the back of the head, and I'm going to start taking slices all the way down, and I'm going to comb these up so you can see this hair from the bottom is getting pulled up to meet up with our shortest layer up here, and I'm just going to chip right into that and cut those pieces that are kind of sticking out. We're going to do this process all the way around the head.
Are you videotaping right now? Are you gonna edit this out?
So I'm just taking small slices, combing it together from the bottom, and then directing the hair upwards. And then you can see this here is the shortest piece, and we have another short piece here. All this stuff, that's what we're chipping out of it. Alright, now we're just going to the other side of the head and repeating the same steps. Now I'm going into the sides, and I'm just pulling in pieces of the sides to match up with that guide and continue chipping on in. Now doing the same to the other side, we're just going to start bringing some from in front of the ear to match up with some of the piece from behind the ear, and comb it up into the same angle that we have been and cutting to the shortest layer. Alright, now I'm going to bring her whole bang section forward because I just want to see, make sure everything's all even here, and chip into these ends just a little bit. For her front, she always wants me to do something called a slide cut. So I will show you what that is. I'm just going to re-wet these front pieces.
So wet.
As I spray her in the face. Alright, so for a slide cut, this is a great way to put those layers around your face. So I'm just going to go in and grab my section of hair. I'm going to decide where I want these to start. So we're going to start below her chin because she doesn't want short anything happening. We're just going to open the scissors and slide them down the hair, slowly cutting it as we go. Then, because her hair's thick, I want to remove some of this weight. I'll just take small pieces of her bang and chip into it again. And this is going to create some layers in her bang, which will take away some of that weight.
By the way, guys, it makes your hair really, like, you can go like this through your hair. And it makes your hair really soft.
Again, we're going to do the slide cut now on this side. So we take the hair, grab it tight, figure out where we want that to start. And you can see my scissors are open. And we're just going to drag it down so it creates this nice layer. And again, just going to take some of the weight out of these pieces. Now I'm going to take the section behind her bangs in front of the top of her crown, and I'm going to kind of bring it all up. Just going to zoom you in and kind of show you the line that I have going around. So it kind of goes like that all the way around her head. And what we're going to do is give it a little bit of a spin. I'm going to grab these ends here and I'm going to go nuts. I'm going to take my scissors and just go nuts. We're going to chip right into all of this.
Don't take lots off.
Now we're just going to let it fall, give it a shake out, and this is the haircut that you're left with. Guys, if you liked this video, please let me know by giving it a big thumbs up and leaving me some comments down below. I know I mentioned before that I wanted to start doing more hair videos on my channel. So yeah, let me know if it's worth me continuing, and if there's anything else that you want to see, definitely let me know and I will try to show you and help you with any of your hair needs. Anyways, thanks for watching, and until next time, have a fabulous day.
Bye!